What's up, you moneymakers and Lucid investors? Welcome back to the channel. Lucid is below $7 and I shared a community post. So if you haven't polled yet, just write down in the comment section below what do you think, buy, sell, or hold, or go to the poll and also submit your vote. But I wanted to share, yes, we are down 3.72%. I bought Lucid. I wanted to share with you because many folks asked me this morning on 7/14th. By the way, happy Friday. Friday's rates or Friday's deals are always great for me, at least. 7/14 bought Lucid at $6.78, and right now Lucid is $6.85. So I'm already in the money. Now, did I buy it for a swing trade or I'm going to hold it for a long term? At this price point, I think a couple of things I wanted to share before I go ahead. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell because I'll be sharing some of the very juicy trades. And this is not your ordinary July 4th sell. This is really that you're getting some of the stock at a good price point. Remember, this is not buy or sell advice. I'm merely sharing what I'm doing. I'm sharing why I'm doing, and I'm sharing when I'm doing. So do your own due diligence. At the end of the day, that's your hard-earned money, and you want to focus on what works well for you. But 686, what I think where Lucid can go from this is $5.47, which was the pretty low point that we saw. And after that, we started spiking up, and you see that we are still up 7%. If you made it, congratulations. If you're holding for long term, you decide yourself, but congratulations to you because you're still in the money for 7%. Day range $6.74 through $7.20. Can it go below $6.50 or $6.78 that I bought it for? Probably yes. But what I'm gonna do is I'll be adding more position if it goes down. Now, if it goes up $7.50 or $8 or maybe more than $8.30 that I've been talking, that is our another price point, price action, I might sell it and to take it as a swing trade. One of the things that I wanted to share you in real time, and why I'm sharing all this in real time is because you can get exactly what I'm doing, and you know that my money is where my mouth is. So I wanted to share this. Right now, the volume is 35 million. Our average volume, 37 million. And the current volume, just in a couple of hours, we saw 35 million in volume. Pretty good sign, at least for me. Analysts are still really bullish on this based on this. On Yahoo, take a look. 13 analysts. One is saying underperforming. The rest are saying either hold, buy, or strong buy. Now, I am not a financial advisor, but these people are. So there is a merit in understanding why they're saying that and where they're coming from. If I go ahead and refresh, you'll see on July 14th, again, the volume is 35 million, which is pretty close to yesterday's volume of 50 million. All in all, we did not really go below $6.74. Is this concerning price point? Probably yes, but that's when the opportunities are created. And if you build conviction for yourself, you can buy a stock or two. And what I do is I always try to find out the best opportunity into the market. I may keep it, I may sell it if I find another opportunity, especially to get in and get 25, 30, 40% return. I may sell this at $7.50. If I don't, then I'll keep adding more and more positions if it goes down. But take a look what's happening right here. So right now, I see the bullish sign. Regardless, we are seeing a sell volume here, sell volume here. What is causing this? Let's go back and show you right here. 58% is the FINRA short volume. So short sellers are right after Lucid. But Lucid has a backup from Saudi that have a ton of money. So money is not going to be a problem. They had a little over $4 billion when they announced their earnings or the financials last time. So that's, again, a pretty bullish sign in my opinion. Nothing is going to be a problem when it comes to money for Lucid. Yes, they're burning cash, but not a problem. So that's what causing this particular dip that you see right here. If you go ahead and I show you the one-day chart, and let me just go and change this to 1 day, you should be able to see that this red line right here is the moving average. And the current price point is this blue chart that is right here. Blue chart, $6.85. Red bar is $6.84. So they are just meeting each other. Now, for the most of the day, moving average is above the real-time price point. But take a look at the RSI. RSI is 48, relative strength index. Pretty much in the middle, right? What it suggests, not an overbought, not an oversold condition. Regardless of what the short sellers are doing, we are staying pretty strong in terms of the price point. Now, you'll have to watch out this, and you'll have to decide what you want to do. So what you do is take a look at what people are talking about. If I go ahead and refresh, you should be able to see that what people talk about Lucid. 211,000 plus followers or watchers on stock tweets. Pretty bullish sign that suggests there is a strong community behind Lucid. Take a look. LCID, like many OPEC maneuvers, Saudis are most savvy investors than the herd. They always move the money where ultimately they have active control, not passive. What they're trying to talk is Lucid is right here. They are building an energy distribution industry, not an EV sales and operations. Don't think a lame second that they're not at the table negotiating whatever the deal that they're trying to talk about, lagging EV makers, so on and so forth. So what this particular user is saying is this is going to be there for a long term, and I tend to agree with the analysis more or less. Now, think about market value or market cap, 13 billion plus right now. And their volume is pretty healthy as well, 35 million. And I like what I see on my screen, and which is why I bought. If I go ahead and refresh this, we should be able to see what the score looks like. Yes, we're slightly bearish because the price point is going down. But again, what is your downturn? What is your risk? The risk is $1 per share. If I bought 300 shares, I may lose $300, but I am okay with that. It won't wake me up at night because I made money already. Now, one day, bearish. Slightly low, 1 day ago, slightly high. That's a message volume score, but that's when the opportunities are created. I just wanted to tell you. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla is up, one Tesla stock, TSLA stock. You should be able to see that it's up 1.93%. Take a look at NIO. NIO is down 1.67%. So all in all, what I wanted to share with you is it's a mixed market or mixed sentiment for EV today. Now, Lucid, if you think about year to date, we are up 11%. 6 months, we are down 15%. Is there a potential for Lucid to go 15% up from this price point? Probably yes. It's a pretty big yes. And what is the downtrend or the downside of buying this at $6.78 or $6.80, let's say, $1? $1 is not really going to break my bank, and that's what my thought process. You decide for yourself what you want to think about. And why you see that we are seeing the downturn or the hit is because their deliveries dropped. And one of the reason is not only their deliveries dropped, but Tesla had a price war. They reduced their price point, while Lucid has $92,000 price point for their vehicle, and which is what caused some of the challenges in terms of the deliveries that you are seeing. But they already identified or they already figured out the opportunity. So they're working on targeting a bigger market at a lower price point, and they will come up with some of the fundamentals or some of the updates to focus on their sales strategy. That's what I've been thinking. I do think it's a steal price for me, which is why I bought it. You decide for yourself what you want to do, and you may hear like the mixed news. Take a look what the news is talking about. Lucid second quarter delivery fell short of estimate amid demand concerns. Lucid stock drops 9%, EV market deliveries this point. They dropped, deliveries take a hit from Tesla's price war. And this is the article. This is the article that you want to look for that tells you what exactly happened, why happened, and what are the opportunities and whether the company is going to address the opportunities or not. Lucid would like be half current value, not if, says the analyst after stock slumped 11%. Now, Lucid shares fall after bucketing EV trend with Q2 drop. Now, they are going to announce their earnings, and we'll talk more about it in early August. We'll see what are the precautionary measures that they have been taking, what is the guidance, and at that point, Lucid stock will redirect its direction. all in all, I wanted to say I just bought this stock as I just showed you at $6.78. I am in the money, 10 cents. Again, I'm not thinking about 10 cents or 20 cents or 50 cents. I'll see what I can do. Yes, it might be a swing trade. If not, I don't mind keeping it for a long term either. I've been collecting more and more Lucid as it goes down, because this is maybe like 10% of what exactly, or what actually I may want to buy Lucid, so I can keep adding for the rest of the 90% that I want to invest in Lucid. Again, stay strong. Go ahead and also vote on the community post. If you want to write down in the comment section below buy, sell, or hold, that works too. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I want to stay connected with you on Lucid. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.